Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. And today, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to draw a quick cartoon drawing of Stan Lee. So let's go ahead, guys, and get started. First of all, I notice here that his head is pretty much a square, so I'm just going to draw a square shape here. Right? And pretty much a square with a little neck on it. This will be about the halfway point of my shape. Okay, and then we just start drawing from there. So the first thing that we want to do here is we can add our cheekbones here. He has a little bit of a cheekbone here. Okay, we'll add his chin shape in here, and then we'll come over here and we'll add the other side of his face. Add a little neck right there, okay? I want you to pay attention to how I use a basic idea or a basic shape for the entire face, and I build my cartoon around that basic shape. Okay, so I might make his ear a little bit big there, but that's okay, it's a cartoon. And then over here, really can't really see much of that, so we don't have to worry about that. Now over here, you can see here how we can see the head shape so awesomely cool and clear because of the way we drew that square when we first started. Okay, you can see his hair is kind of coming off here and kind of coming around here, and then over here it kind of, I think he just kind of lets it keep flowing back like that. That's a cool hairdo, by the way, Mr. Lee. And then over here, I'll just go ahead now and draw my little shape like that. And we got a pretty good idea of working so far. Okay. Now, what I'll do inside of my shape here, just to help you place your features, is I would draw a diamond shape. Okay, so this is the diamond. Okay. Now you see why I'm going to show you, and I want you to watch how my shapes interact with the diamond shape. Okay. So this will be where his eyebrows go. You see he doesn't have a lot of eyebrow, so I'm not going to use a lot of shape right there. Okay. Here in the middle, we'll see how his nose shape is going to play out. So we'll do something like this. Okay. And you can see how that's going to feed down into that diamond shape. Okay. We're going to go ahead here. And we'll add some glasses in. Okay. Put the little stem on the side. And then we're going to make that shape feed down here. Alright, and let's add a little bit of an open mustache for Stan Lee. I don't think he has a butt chin, but a chin is kind of pronounced. Okay, now, eye shape. And we'll just add a little circle of light in there. And then we can go ahead and we'll add our age lines. Just like so. So if you're having problems at first placing your features, this is an excellent technique to use. Just draw a couple of find out what your basic shape is first. Okay. And then once you find your basic shape, you build your face around it, and then you put your diamond shape in the middle. Put some little wrinkles here for Stan Lee here. Okay. And I think I'm gonna make Stan Lee an Iron Man, because Iron Man is my favorite cartoon. Can you see my Iron Man? Because he is super awesome. I hate that he didn't make it in the last Avengers, but he'll be back. He's gonna build something that's gonna bring him back to life while he's not alive. It's gonna be awesome. You guys gotta check that out. Okay, so pretty much I'm just gonna go ahead and erase my guidelines here. So just give me a sec to do that. Just erase your guidelines. You should have drawn them in really lightly. If you're once again a beginning caricaturist, this is going to really, even if you're a seasoned caricaturist, even let me give you even some positions and things give them guys that been drawing a while, it gives them the blues too. So they themselves have to use lines on the paper too. So no matter what kind of artist you are, how good you get, the basics are always going to be the basics. You know what I mean? Okay, now let's just do a little bit of shadows. Okay, so we'll just get out a little gray here. I'm just going to use this. And then I'll put some shadows kind of where I want some emphasis to go at. Okay, see how I'm just using it to make some shadows. And this is better than using lines a lot of times. A lot of times you can use lines, and when you use too many lines, it makes your cartoon look too busy. In fact, that's something that I'm currently still exploring my own drawings. The possibility of drawing a caricature but using less and less lines each time until somebody complains and says, hey, there are no lines on this paper. And I'll say, yeah, but it looked like you. Joking. Anyway, just about done here, guys. I'm just going to use this same marker. Since he has salt and pepper here, I can kind of do the same thing with this picture here. Okay. And then over here, it's going to be, you see how it's kind of real light off in here? So I'm going to use the edge of my marker. I'm just going to still draw some lines, but I'm not going to make them as dark. In fact, I'm going to make this a little bit darker so you can see that difference. And let's go ahead and darken those eyes in. And you see that Stan Lee has a bit of a shadow in his glasses. So how I would do that, I would just do some lines like this in the glasses, just real quick little shadows. Okay, not too much, so you can still see the eyes and stuff like that. And pretty much, guys, we got a pretty cool cartoon. So I'm gonna go ahead here and I'm gonna sign my work. I want to thank you guys for watching our video and tutorial. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you'd like to also sign up, guys, for our online live one-on-one or group classes to learn how to draw a caricature, we are offering those classes at this time. So you can go to Rowserworld.com /classes to receive more information and exactly how you can get signed up. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this segment of Drawing with the Rouser, and I hope your Stan Lee came out pretty cool if you were daring enough to try it with me. Alright guys, so you have a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Stan Lee, guys.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.